In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the NMI hardware failure blue screen you're getting on your Windows computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial on how to resolve this problem without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I would actually recommend doing is opening up your computer case and checking to make sure your RAM modules are installed properly. And if anything is loose, I would suggest putting it back into place. Just make sure it's popped in correctly. And once you've tried that, I would also suggest opening up the start menu and type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager above Control Panel. You want to left click on that one time to open up Device Manager here. And now you want to expand the display adapter section, either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand. And then I would suggest underneath, whatever comes up underneath, you want to right click on it, left click on Update Driver Software, search automatically for Update Driver Software. If it doesn't find anything through its online search, I would suggest taking note of whatever display adapter is listed in here and go online and manually download it and then install it going through the manual method. So if we went into Update Driver Software, instead you would just browse My Computer for driver software, or most companies will actually have a built-in installer that will do it all for you, so you won't even have to go through Device Manager. But it's just something to put out there. And I have made tutorials about troubleshooting if Windows can't start up, so that's another video on my channel. So if you're unable to boot into Windows, that's really not what this tutorial is about. This is more so the specific error if you're able to still boot into the Windows operating system. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.